Okay, we're going to use this board to modulate the power level of this fan. So we'll send power positive in here, negative in here, motor positive, motor negative. And then I think we'll just put some screws in there to hold it to the board. Let's get started. Alright, so we have our fan on, and now that's its high. That's its low. Which isn't as much as I would hope for, actually. And that is because I did it backwards. Put the motor power in there. Alright, now that it's wired correctly, with our motor wires into the motor and our power wires into the power, and we've replaced the fuse we broke. We got it maxed out there. And we can turn it low. Look at that. That's what we want. Alright, test 2. We have both fans wired up. So both fan powers come in these two connectors and then go to the board. And what I noticed is if I turn it down, I get that like metal grinding on metal sound. So I may need one controller per fan if I want more control. So I'm gonna get this one mounted and call it good for this stage of the prototyping process. All right, we've mounted this to the board with a screw here and here. And we can reach in and adjust it here. So this is where we're going to leave this for this stage of the prototyping process. We're going to test this in the wild and adjust as needed.